Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Canva Logo Maker. First, navigate to Canva's website and locate the Logo Maker section. This powerful tool provides a straightforward way to design a unique brand identity. You'll discover thousands of professional templates and an extensive library of design elements. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface ensures that anyone, regardless of design experience, can create a stunning logo in just a few minutes. It's designed for efficiency and creativity. To begin your logo design journey, start by clicking on the Create a Design button and selecting Logo. You'll then be presented with a vast array of pre-designed templates. Take your time to browse through these options, filtering by industry, style, or even specific keywords like modern or minimalist. Choosing the right template is crucial, as it provides a strong foundation that truly resonates with your brand's core values and visual identity. This initial step sets the tone for your entire design process. Now for the fun part, customization. Once you've selected a template, you can easily modify every aspect. Change the text to your brand name, experiment with hundreds of fonts, and adjust colors to match your brand palette. You can also add or remove graphic elements, choosing from millions of icons, illustrations, and shapes available in Canva's extensive library. For a truly unique touch, upload your own images or brand assets. This allows for complete creative control, ensuring your logo is 100% yours. Once your logo is perfect, it's time to download it. Canva offers several file formats, including high-resolution PNG for web use and print, and JPG for smaller file sizes. For maximum versatility, always select the transparent background option, especially for use on different colored backgrounds or merchandise. Your new logo is now ready to be used across all your branding materials, from your website and social media profiles to business cards and merchandise. Congratulations on creating a professional logo.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.